welcome to this next video in the Python Toolbox series. Here we're going to be looking at string methods. Probably the easiest way to talk about these string methods is if I run this code that I've got here and we can see the output as I talk through it. So the first thing to have a look at is the len command. The len command has brackets after it, and then we pass it a string and it will return us the number of letters in that, or characters in that string. If there are spaces, they will count as characters as well. So when I print length, you can see it's printed 26. We know the alphabet is 26 letters long. We can see that that's worked. The next 5 things here are all methods for splitting strings. Now you can either pass it the value of the first number that you want it to start at and the value of the last number, or a combination of either, and we'll see what these negatives do as well. So in this one, we're saying start at character 5, finish at character 10. Now, really importantly, it's 0 indexed. So A is in position 0, B is in position 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's F that's in position 5. And you can see when we do that one, it starts at F. G is in 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 10 is actually K. Now notice it doesn't print K. It stops 1 short of the second number. Now, what can we see? This one will print the first 10 characters because it's 0 index, so it'll stop 1 short of character 10, but there will be a character 0, so there will be 10 characters. This one starts from the 10th character. That will be the 11th one in the thing because it starts of 0 indexing, and it does everything else. This one says stop 10 before the end. And this one says start 10 before the end. So all of those are different ways of splitting strings. You can see down the bottom, we've got 3 more things down here: .upper, .lower, and .title. Now, notice what they are. They've got a dot, and then they've got the name, and then they've got brackets. Now, these are actually methods. They're actually subroutines that are built in that you can call. We'll be learning about subroutines much later in the course, but for now, just see what these do. So if I say letters.upper, it turns them all to uppercase. Lower, if they hadn't been lower already, they would get turned to lowercase. And title, you might not see what this has done, but each new word would get a capital letter in a string if you use title case. All right, these methods are able to be used for a number of things, but for the moment, the task I'm going to set you is the create a username challenge, which is challenge number 9 in my REPLs. So if you go and download that one, have a go at it, and I'll be back with a video that explains how it works.